Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. It's Meditation Monday. And as you can see, I'm still in Hamburg, but I won't be here for a lot longer. I'm going to be travelling back very shortly back to the UK in the path of the Eclipse. And I've just had the most amazing weekend organised by Miriam Beck and her incredible team over here. I'm feeling very, very grateful. Had some beautiful connections this weekend, and we've also done a lot of work. There was, as with every event that occurs, there's always a hidden aspect that's revealed on the day, and we cleared a lot of darkness from the ley systems and the surrounding areas, and particularly the beautiful building that we were working in. So, Eclipse Day. Let's just tune into this a little bit for the meditation. Just take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Make sure that you are in your heart center. I'm going to be looking at the heart center and the higher heart. And you might feel that the two are inexplicably joined together. You've got the pink, the white, and the gold of your heart center. And you have the gorgeous, shining aquamarine of your higher heart. Place your hand over your higher heart and breathe. This is a traditional greeting in Atlantean times to place the hand over the higher heart in recognition of soul light from one to another. So place your hand over your higher heart and welcome the energy that is coming in. Now, every single one of us have a personal outlook on what this eclipse will bring, even whether the energy is worth noting or whether it is just another cosmic or astrological phenomenon that is occurring. So just breathe into your heart. Have no expectations. Just feel love, radiate love, be love. Allow your higher heart to expand. You will see glorious aquamarine light begin to move from the core of your higher heart into your body and your fields. Just be aware that this is a very high frequency light. It has the effect to transform and to alchemize everything around it. So allow it to move into the cells of your body, your physical body. You might feel that your physical body is responding or reacting to the energies that are coming through at the moment. You might be traversing something personal. You might have a test or an initiation going on. Allow the light of the higher heart to really alchemize anything that you are holding within your physical. Let it go. Let go and let God. Just let the physical relax. And then feel the light of the higher heart moving through your mental body. And the mental body spins very quickly when it is perceiving or receiving, or whether it is under stress, or whether you have thought loops that are engaging in your process. Just allow the higher heart to completely neutralize into a state of love how the mental body is responding to everything at the moment. Breathe and relax as everything becomes still, gets immersed with aquamarine light, and becomes fine-tuned to the voice of your highest self. And now, higher heart blessings for the emotional body. Feel your emotional body just flooded with aquamarine light. Now, the emotional body is a very mixed bag at the moment. It is releasing what we would regard as shadow aspects of the past, all of the stuff that we've stored away that we can't take with us, that needs to be released let go of. Things that do not vibrate at a fifth dimensional frequency. And this is stuff that you might not be aware of, that you've held on to for lifetime after lifetime, or it could be personal experiences that you've had in this one that you've buried away. The light of the higher heart, the aquamarine light, will very effectively just release this with love. So just allow this to be. So you are letting go with love. And then allow the aquamarine light to flood out into your spiritual field. Now you can be as extravagant with your spiritual field as you want to be. You can allow it to move out as far and as wide as you can possibly spread it. Fill it with the light of your higher heart and allow that light to touch and light up other people around you. Consciously do this. Make it your intention to ignite the higher hearts of other people under grace, allowing them to step into that frequency. But also take a moment to bless the trees, the animals, the buildings around you, the very ground that you walk on, the waters, the flowers. If you're here in the Northern Hemisphere, spring is here. Just allow your higher heart energy to bless the buds that are coming through upon the trees. And once you're in the state of higher heart, once the aquamarine light is fully integrated into your bodies and fields, bring your attention to the eclipse, the solar portal, mixing with the lunar. I believe there is more lunar goodness going on today as well. I think there's a full moon. We also have a Mercury retrograde. Powerful day. Set your intention to flow through this day with grace and ease. Whatever it is presenting to you, you just move through in a state of heart-centeredness. You can bless the outcome of this energy shift with whatever you wish, provided it is in alignment with a heart-centered frequency. So you could wish for peace, for love, for cosmic abundance, for unity, harmony. You name it, bring it through. Higher healing for those around you that may be struggling. Calmness in mind, body and spirit. Focus, integrity, sovereignty. You could even ask the energy of the eclipse to reveal to you your true soul mission on this ascension pathway. Do you know what it is yet? If you don't, you could possibly be about to find out. And the masters and the angels and the dragons and the unicorns and the galactics that are working with this current energy say, prepare yourself for change, but allow that change to be graceful in whatever way that it presents itself. We are steering the trajectory of this ascension process. It is not in the hands of anybody else. It is ours to steer. So bring that light and that energy through at a very high frequency. Set your intention. And just feel yourself cocooned in balance, in peace, in love. Allow that higher heart energy to be absolutely everything, or within everything that you engage with today. Moving forwards, free of fear. And just continue to breathe and relax for a few moments more in that energy. You might start to notice there are beings of light gathering around you, particularly angels today. Just welcome them in. You might know some of them, others might be new to you. And just feel yourself being lifted up and fully supported. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Okay, my lovelies, that's all for this morning. I'd also like to announce that the pre-sale for the cards that have been created by Miriam Beck, Vivian of Lorient and myself are now available for pre-sale on my website. And this is something that has been very much part of our weekend. It's been beautiful to work with. So have a look at the website. I'll include the link underneath, and I will see you all on Friday for an Ascension update. I'll be back in the woods. And on Sunday, it's part 3 of my Sunday night Ascension Club. I'll be there at 7:15. Love you all. Bye for now.